I'm here today metal detecting my property, and it was on the 1860 map. There's my dog Zoe. Alright, I came over to the backyard today instead of the front. I'm most of the time doing the front yard. I found a Merc and a couple tokens on the front yard. And right here I'm using my trusty Garrett AT Pro. And I have a hole dug here. It went down about 8 inches. So let's see what we've got here. Okay. And you know what I brought up here? After digging down here really deep, is a buckle. It's brass, I believe. It's got the green patina. You can't really see it, but like I said, it was 8 inches down. A lot of digging and a lot of rock, and finally I did get it out. So happy about that. Piece of history. From here, probably horse tack and probably mid-late 1800s. This was a working farm at one time. Just showing you a little bit of the area here. This old tree here, this old willow tree. And there's a spring runoff. There's a spring up here. Way up here. Can't see it. The sun's late in the afternoon is preventing from me from filming right in that area there. But I'm going to dig another hole, hopefully. I'll be back soon. And thanks again for watching. And I know this is just a short video of one plug, but just wanted to show you what I came across here. Thanks again for watching, and happy digging. I'm trying to get that focused in, and for some reason it's not cooperating. Alrighty. Thanks again.